Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use IPVanish VPN. Let's get started. Before we dive in, if you're looking for a reliable, hassle-free VPN that just works without any complicated setups, I highly recommend NordVPN. It offers a simple subscription with incredibly fast speeds, top-tier security, and works seamlessly for streaming and browsing. Try it for 30 days using the link below. First, you need to get the app. Visit the official IPVanish website to download the application. Go to the Apps tab, select your operating system, and download the installer. Run the file and just follow the simple on-screen instructions to install it on your computer. Once installed, open the IPVanish application and log in with your account credentials. You'll see the main dashboard, which is very clean and user-friendly. To connect instantly, just click the large Quick Connect button. This will automatically find and connect you to the fastest server based on your location. For more control, click on the Server List tab. Here, you can choose a specific country or even a specific city server from the list. Once you've made your selection, click the Connect button at the top right of the screen. Windows users have a cool extra feature, a map view. You can switch from the list to a world map and simply click on a country to connect to it, which is very intuitive. You can also mark your most used servers as favorites for one-click access in the future. Now, let's talk about mobile. The IPVanish apps for Android and iOS are also very straightforward. For iOS and Mac users, a key feature is called On Demand. This lets you automate your VPN connection. You can set it to only activate when you join an untrusted network, like public cafe Wi-Fi, and to bypass the VPN when you're safely on your home network. This is perfect for security without manual effort. For Android users, the most powerful feature is split tunneling. This allows you to choose which apps go through the VPN and which use your regular internet. So, you can secure your browser and email, but let apps like food delivery or ride-sharing use your real location to work properly. Now, on to security, which is where IPVanish truly excels. It uses top-grade, military-level encryption to protect your data from hackers. A crucial feature it employs is called perfect forward secrecy. This means your encryption key changes regularly during a session. So even if one key was compromised, your past and future data remain safe. It's important to know that IPVanish operates under U.S. jurisdiction, which some users see as a downside for privacy. However, they counter this with a strict, independently audited no-logs policy. This means they are certified to not record or store any of your online activity. In terms of performance, IPVanish uses the modern WireGuard protocol, which provides excellent speeds for streaming and torrenting. While it doesn't have servers specifically labeled for streaming, its general high speed is often sufficient for HD video on most platforms. For torrenting, it's a fantastic choice. It even includes a free SOCKS 5 proxy, which can further boost your download speeds while maintaining privacy. A unique offering from IPVanish is an optional add-on called SugarSync. This gives you 500 gigabytes of encrypted cloud storage to securely back up your sensitive files and email attachments. A major advantage is that IPVanish allows unlimited simultaneous connections. You can protect every device in your household, your phone, laptop, tablet, and more, all on a single subscription. Finally, IPVanish backs its annual plans with a 30-day money-back guarantee. This means you can try the entire service risk-free for a full month and get a refund if it's not for you. While IPVanish is a solid option for users who prioritize accessing geo-restricted content on popular streaming services and want the absolute best performance for unblocking platforms, I personally recommend NordVPN. It consistently demonstrates superior ability to bypass restrictions on services like Netflix, has an enormous global server network, and includes advanced security features like threat protection that actively blocks malware. It's my go-to choice for reliable, high-speed streaming and maximum online security.